My savages, my savages, my savages, my savage. We back with another video, and I told y'all, man. I told y'all, if y'all didn't go watch my last video, go watch my video I posted this morning about the NIO earnings when I explained to y'all exactly what's going on. I explained that in detail, but we about to get into what just happened, bro. What just happened with NIO stock? You know what I'm saying? So, let's go ahead and get into it real quick. My savages! Moneymane and the thing of a T and playing no games. Should already know my name when I speak NCC flame. Got my YouTube poppin', man. Like, subscribing, everything in between. You already know. Moneymane. You already know. What's up, my savage? So listen, NIO. If you don't know, now you know. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm about to go ahead and jump into it. NIO stocks fall late on mixed Q4 earnings report. Now, like I said, y'all need to go watch my last video. Pause this. Don't skip the ads. Like, subscribe, and share. Go watch my first video before you watch this video, and I explained what was going on, and I told y'all what was going to happen. Like I said, the stock market is risky. We didn't know what was going to happen with this NIO earnings report. So exactly what happened was they lost. NIO, I'm gonna shorten it up real quick. We're gonna get into it. We get into detail right here. Y'all can do your own due diligence because I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm gonna shorten it up. Basically, NIO lost 14 cents per share on the revenue. They lost 14 cents per share. Now, analysts were predicting a 7% loss per share, but they doubled it. NIO doubled it up to 14. But here it is right here. They were narrowing it to a net loss of 7 cents. But before that, a year ago around this time, they was down 39 cents. So they closed the gap. They closed the gap, but they didn't close it like the analysts thought they was going to close it. But at the same time, they still had over $2 billion in revenue. I know it's crazy. Like I said, mixed fourth quarter earnings. Like I told y'all in my last video. I said, bruh, who knows what gonna happen? Because what happened with Lucid, with the valuation was jacked up, it made the stock go down. Same thing happened with NIO right now. The same thing. The earnings messing with the stock. Because don't everybody confused like, what going on? You know what I'm saying? 2020 carrying over to 2021 with the crazy mess. That's what I'm basically saying. But like I said, they end up getting more revenue, but still lost on the per share. Like I said, I'm new to this. I don't know all the ins and outs, but I know a loss is bad and a gain is good. You know what I'm saying? So a loss is bad. So they lost 14 cents on the share. So that's bad. You know what I'm saying? That's why the stock going down. We're going to get into the stock price in a minute. And I'm going to show y'all why you still need to hold on to this stock. Don't sell it. Hold on to it for the at least next 5 years. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling y'all, you know, to hold on to it. And then especially hold on to it at least to the end of the year if you're thinking about selling it. But I have diamond hands and hold on for a little bit longer. Only the reason why is because NIO has already disclosed that fourth quarter 2020 deliveries leaped to 111% to 17,353 vehicles, growing their third straight quarter after the pandemic hit in the early 2020s. Now, sales momentum slowed down though in February, this past month, at 5,578 vehicles from the 7,225 vehicles in January. They sold 7,225 vehicles in January, but only sold 5,578 vehicles in February, even though February is the shortest month of the year, Black History Month. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Well, partly I know why they did it, but other part, I don't know why they put Black History Month in the shortest month in the year. But that's a whole different video. You know what I'm saying? But the thing with NIO doing, why I say hold it, is because they announcing they electric sedan, the electric vehicle sedan, the rival the Tesla Model 3. Ain't no telling how many of these vehicles they gonna sell, but you know that ain't until next year. So wait on that. But they still haven't, like I said, the revenue is up. The revenue is up. They just lost on the per share. But like this right here, the gross margin is up Two, the gross margin improved to 17.2% in fourth quarter from a negative 8.9% a year ago. And 12.9% in quarter three. So it still went up. Last quarter it was 12.9, and then fourth quarter this earnings right here it went up to 17.2. Vehicle margin improved to 17.2 from negative 6% a year ago, and 14.5% in quarter three. See, they gaining. Neo cash balance declined to $6.5 billion at the end of the quarter versus $3.3 billion in the last quarter three. Now, the outlook with Neo seeing right now, they seeing they quarter one delivers 20,000 to 20,500 vehicles, up 241% to 434% from a year ago, and up 15% to 18% from quarter four. Revenue is seeing a 1.13 billion to 16 billion, up 438% to 451% from a year ago, 11 to 14 from fourth quarter. Basically, the company's still growing, bro. Just to shorten it up, the company's still growing, but like I said, mixed fourth quarter earnings was driving the price down. Now, like I said, you can go ahead and go do your own due diligence, but we're gonna look at the price of the stock right now. The price of the stock right now, after hours, right now, as I'm talking right now, is at $46.78. $46.78. But when the market closed, let's just say, well, we on Robinhood, but the regular market, it closed at 4. The stock was at $49.97. After hours, but you know what I'm saying, Robinhood stay open to 6. We would stay open to 8. Some people on Webull still selling their stock, bro. They still selling their stock. So let's say 5 o'clock, 4:55 to 5:10, people were selling, bro. People were selling. Then people bought in again just a little bit because it probably dipped below their cost basis because they got in high, like they should have waited. They got in high. Kind of sort of like I did, because you see what it is my average cost now, you know what I'm saying? But I only got 2 shares on this one. But like, even though this ain't my main account, but I'm just showing y'all what I got right here. But the stock dipping, bro. Now like I said, I'm new to this. I ain't no financial advisor. I'm just giving my prediction. I expect the stock to keep dropping even in the pre-market. Since it depends on how many people on Webull got the Neo stock. Now, in the pre-market, I'm still expecting it to drop. And then when Robinhood open up in the morning, I still expect this stock to drop, take a little dip. If it get below 40, oh my goodness, bro, you need to buy. I'm telling y'all, bro, if it get below 40, buy as many as you can. Because I'm telling y'all, bro, this stock will be golden in the long run. It's the Tesla of China, bro. They taking over China. They got the battery swap and all that. I explained all that in my last video. Go watch that video. But I'm just gonna show y'all right now. This on Webull now. 19 analysts say this stock can run up as high as $99 for this year. $99. It already done went past $55.60 the average. You know what I'm saying? It was a low at $7. Folk that got in at $7, I know y'all probably take it, and y'all probably the one that's selling. But this stock can still run up to 100 before the end of the year. That's what I'm saying. If you don't sell right now, if just hold it, diamond hands anyway. You know what I'm saying? They got a 37. I'm gonna round it up. A 37% buy, a 37% hold, a 16% strong buy, and 11% underperform. Nobody's saying selling. Now I'm gonna tell y'all why nobody's saying selling. Now listen. This little website right here, they like 70% correct. You know, this is not accurate to a T, but they projecting, and by the end of this year, this stock will be $131.19 if you want to round it up. Now, in 5 years, they projected the stock to be $458 a share and 76 cents. I'm telling y'all, bro, you gotta have diamond hands. People are bearish on this stock, so they hold it. That's why I'm saying you need to hold it. Hold it. Don't sell. Hold it. I'm saying, bro. Listen. Like I said, this wallet investor, they not all the way accurate, but they just projecting based off the numbers they getting. You know what I'm saying? By December 2021, before we get in 2022, this stock could be up to $114 at the opening price. You know what I'm saying? Closing price could be at $118, but who knows? Like I told you, who knows, bro? The stock can explode or it can implode. You know what I'm saying? It could go down just like CCIV did. It could shoot up just like GameStop do. It could do anything it wanna do. But like I told y'all, bro, the earnings, bro, the earnings messed up this stock. And then plus we still in the correction, bro. Even though some of it was green today a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But they saying it probably gonna consolidate. That mean move or trading sideways. It probably gonna consolidate a little bit longer. That way Uncle Jones, Uncle Larry said it gonna consolidate a little bit. Stock Mo still think it gonna dip a little bit more. Chris Sane, you know, he really ain't on these plays, but he been in Neo since $7 though, so he really ain't worried about that. But Chris Sane, you know, he on some other plays. He really ain't on all the EV plays, but he do talk about it a little bit. But like I said, go on my other video, put this video together, and then y'all understand. Like I told y'all, bro, it's still in the buy zone though. It's still in the buy zone. Cause I think it was like it was at 45 Friday before when the market opened. I think it was at 45. What it was when the market opened? Where's that? Show more. Let's go. It was at 48.55 when the market opened. Now it's at 46. Well, 47 now. See people buying on Weeble. That's what I'm saying. So go ahead and get your dry powder. Get ready because this stock is still gonna take off because the company growing. The earnings report just was all mixed. And I told y'all that was going to happen. But it is what it is. My savage! Stop playing with me. My savages! Moneymane in the thing of a T and playing no games. Should I already know my name when I speak in CC Flame. Got my YouTube popping, man. Like, subscribing, everything in between. You already know. Moneymane! You all